Got it. There we go. That's a fish. All right, guys, welcome to Freedom Fishing. We're going to do the drawing for the giveaway, the 5,000 subscriber prize we did. Man, my forehead is big. I'm losing my hair, people. We're going to give away a fishing trip for one. You can take somebody with you. So 2 people, everything's on me. I'll bring snacks, drinks, bait, gas, everything's on me. So you can do inshore, offshore, doesn't matter, whatever you choose to do. And we'll target a certain kind of fish you want to catch. And I don't always catch what I target, but sometimes we do. So that's what we're gonna do. So literally this is the 3rd time I've tried. Technology has been my problem. So we have finally found something that would take the spinning wheel, which I used last time, will not take this many names. So we have done the wheelofnames.com. This is a website, and you can see over here, I've loaded all the names, and I didn't use uppercase, I did all lowercase to make it easy just to type everything, but all the names are there. And we're gonna spin the wheel 1 time, and whatever name comes up, that person is the winner. And if you would comment on your comment that you saw this, and then I'll get your contact information and we'll schedule. So this spins pretty fast, so here we go. And the winner is, who is it? Looks like Kenneth. Is it Kenneth or Mark? Kenneth Jarrett. Congratulations, Kenneth. I don't know Kenneth. I don't think I know you, Kenneth. Kenneth, you're the winner. So if you would, when you see this, comment on the video and just let me know you saw it, and then we'll get together and exchange information so that we can schedule a date. So congratulations, and thank you everybody who registered. That was a lot of fun. We are at 5,000 subscribers and growing quickly. We've gotten 400 subscribers in less than a week. It's been, the channel's growing really fast. So thank you for all that. I feel very blessed to do this and to have my passion be fishing and be able to do some content for you guys as well. I love it very, very much. So thanks again. Congratulations, Kenneth. And the next upcoming, I got a short little video where I went fishing for 2 hours, caught a few fish. Not a whole lot going on, honestly. It was very windy and the rain came in, but we did catch a couple of fish before we had to go. So nice short video coming up. Thanks again. See you guys. God bless. Hey guys, welcome to Freedom Fishing. I'm gonna throw my Akuma Avenger 3000 20-pound braid, 30-pound leader, and a voodoo for a few minutes here in this spot. We are the end of the incoming. It's a very, very high tide. Got a strong northeast wind. I've only got literally a couple hours of fish, so I've got to get out of here quickly. So I'm gonna see what I can get on. I just got some live shrimp. I probably won't try to catch any mullet. I don't want to waste time trying to catch bait. So I bought some live shrimp, artificial to start. Let's see how it goes. Thanks for joining. Gonna throw a live shrimp out on the air bubble. This is a clear bobber I've been using recently. Throw that out and just let it drift while I throw a live shrimp on the jig head. Double my chances here. Got it. There we go. That's a fish. Just big mangrove. Whoa! Float just went down, y'all. I was looking right at it, thankfully. Oh yeah, he's on there. He's got it down big time. Oh. Oh my gosh, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Oh my gosh, how did that happen? And my shrimp is still alive. It was down for 5 seconds. bite, y'all. There's a bite. There's a, oh, come on, be a flounder bite. Come away with it. Go, got him. Whatever it is. Oh, it's a trout? It's a little trout. There we go. Got a little trout right here. Pretty little fish. That was a big shrimp this guy just ate. Come on, dude. Chill, 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 chill. These guys are slimy. Alright, there we go. Alright, pretty little trout. Thank you, buddy. See you. There we go. Let's get a little fish. I think it's a trout. Oh, yeah. Oh, no. It's a little redfish. It's a little redfish. I saw a school of mullet just go through here. No surprise, I caught a little redfish right behind it. Oh, this guy's pretty, really. Really pretty. I've been catching some smaller fish lately. I got to get me on some of them bigger fish. Look how pretty this guy is, though. Check him out. Beautiful little redfish right there. That tail. All right, buddy. Appreciate it. Thank you. There we go. Ooh, I don't know what this is. Solid little fish. It's fast like a jack. Yep, I think that's what it is. They're so fast, man. They just swim so fast. There you go, buddy. I'm imitating you. You go. Okay, my turn. Does that sound like a jack? Tell me in the comments below. Can you tell the difference? That's me. All right, Mr. Jack. We'll let you go. See you, buddy. Thank you. Oh, we're on. Good fish. Well, not as good as I thought. Dang, just a mangrove, I think. Well, maybe better than a mangrove. Wow, giant mangrove. Huge mangrove, y'all. Look at this guy. Big old piece of cut mullet. That's a big mangrove. We're gonna measure this guy. Let's see, this guy's at least 12 inches, maybe 13. It's been quiet. It's a very high tide. Flood tide. It's just harder to find the fish when there's so much water. It's really windy and it's been kind of a stagnant tide the whole time. Yeah, it's a 12-inch mangrove. 12-inch mangrove on cut mullet. Give me some action. See you, buddy. Well, I guess you can see that out there. That's dark and that's major rain. Time to head in. Well, I might fish from land some, I'm not sure, but didn't catch a lot of fish. Only fished for like 2 hours. Did catch some fish, so I might make a little video out of it just for fun. Thanks for watching this episode of Freedom Fishing. If I don't go land-based fishing, if I go land-based fishing, then we'll have a different ending to the video. And I don't know. I can feel that rain from here, so I gotta head back. See ya.